Have you ever caught a yawn from someone across the room and wondered what just happened? Swiss scientists say there's more to yawning than just feeling sleepy. It turns out, yawning is like a mini air conditioner for your brain, cooling it down when it gets too hot. This quirky reflex not only helps regulate brain temperature, but also increases alertness and boosts mental efficiency. Even more surprising, contagious yawning may be linked to empathy and social bonding, proving that yawning isn't just a sign of boredom. So next time you find yourself yawning in sync with others, remember you're sharing a brain chill-out session.